Hi guys, it's me Christina and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be my 2018 YouTube video highlights. I just wanted to make a video to say thank you for an awesome, exciting and encouraging 2018. Because of you guys, my channel is growing and I'm looking forward to doing even more in 2019. So here are my highlights, so please keep on watching. So that would be all, guys. I want to say thank you so much for all your support, each and every one of you. I really appreciate it, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up, comment down below, and by the way, don't forget to click the bell button so that you will be notified once I have a new video. So guys, that would be all, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.